In the dimly lit bedroom, Sarah lies in bed, the soft glow of her phone illuminating her face. Anxiety builds as she refreshes her phone. The silence broken only by the house's hum. "I think someone's in the house," Sarah texts, her words hanging in the still, dark air. The ringing phone shatters the silence as Sarah's panicked eyes dart to the locked door, a silent plea for escape. "I hear footsteps, but my parents aren't home," she whispers, her voice trembling with rising fear. A soft click echoes, the doorknob turning with agonizing slowness as Sarah freezes, her terror reaching a fever pitch. A chilling whisper snakes through the closed door, its icy tendrils seeping into the room. "I know you're awake," the man's voice whispers, a sinister promise hanging in the air. "Ma'am, officers are outside. Do not open the door," the dispatcher warns, a desperate plea against unseen terror.